A blessed day to you, ma'am and sir. I'm Gemma Bautista from Philippines. I live in Aguilar, Pangasinan. I'm 38 years old and we are 5 siblings in the family. My mother is a housewife and my father is a farmer. I have 3 children, 2 girls and 1 boy. I work here in Singapore with 2 employers. My first employer is a elderly couple, and my duties for them is cleaning the house, ironing, and cooking. My second employer is a small family with 1 child, a little girl, and my duties with them also is cleaning, ironing, washing, and helping look after the little girl, and also cook and feed her. Um, I am looking for a new employer here uh, because I'm early transfer, early end contract. My employer want me to early end contract uh, this my second employer, and to my new employer soon. I'm willing to serve them with kindness and respect. So I also want to learn more things, mostly in cooking, and also I'm willing to obey what 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 they are following rules also in their house, and I'm really glad that I can find an employer that can treat me as a family. Um, I pray for them that um, had a good relationship with the helper. And thank you and God bless.